The most common first modification people do to their cars are usually like tints, wheels, tires, or maybe like an exhaust upgrade. Well, that's according to the internet. But check this out. I somehow broke my oil dipstick handle, probably due to its age, and now I have to fix it. So instead of buying a new standard OEM dipstick, we're gonna just modify the handle. So let's begin modifying the race car. Oh, but it's just a Challenger. It's a race car! Oh, I ordered one from American Muscle for almost $40. I could have ordered one from Amazon for about $10, but the reason why I chose the more expensive one was because one, I like the design and the material, because I think this is aluminum. So I decided to be financially responsible and spend almost 4 times the amount for a dipstick handle. Here's my temporary oil dipstick handle I had to get at the time since I didn't have the part available. So so the first step is to remove the pin using a nail and like a hammer, or you can just use like a bit of fire on the plastic to loosen it, I guess, and then get some pliers and rip it apart, which is what we did since that was the quickest way. But the instructions say use the nail and a hammer to push out the pin. Then get the actual new oil dipstick handle and put on the 2 O-rings that you get from the packaging. You don't really need any tools, just get it on there. It's not too hard. Then slide the dipstick into the new handle and then line up the hole from the handle with the dipstick and then slide the pin in there. You probably need to hammer it in or something, but once that's done and it's aligned, then you're pretty much done. You got yourself a new functional oil dipstick handle.